Facebook group marketing for beginners in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Well, what's up, Impactor? Coach Fryer here. Listen, if you're brand new to my channel, thanks for being here. I help network marketers and direct sales consultants just like you turn their organic content into sales while making an impact. If that's you, you're in the right spot. Smash that subscribe button. Let's dig into today's video. Well, today we're talking about all things Facebook group marketing for beginners. And the first question is it a good idea, Coach Fryer, to start my own Facebook group? Well, my simple answer is, well, duh, absolutely. But before you do, you've got to answer these 3 questions. Question number 1, who am I going to serve and or help inside this group? Question number 2, am I passionate and or can speak with conviction about the niche that I'm about to embark upon, right? Okay. And will I promise to serve these specific people? And question number 3, am I knowledgeable in this particular area? No, not an expert, just knowledgeable. Depending upon how you answer these 3 questions is going to solidify your answer as to whether or not you should start your own Facebook group. I think a couple of benefits could be, number 1, a Facebook group of your very own could help potentially create an enormous amount of new leads for your business. Benefit number 2, it's going to put you in front of a lot of new eyeballs, right? And it's going to allow you to form new relationships. Number 3, this is the fastest way to grow your name, brand, and business and help you dive into more genuine friendships, connections, and relationships with people inside of a closed setting. Wait. Before you go and start that Facebook group now, right? Okay. A little bonus tip, okay? I have a simple 4-step roadmap to helping you start, create, launch, right? Your very own Facebook group. To get access to these 4 trainings, all you have to do is click the link in the description below, right? Take care of all of that and you're going to get immediate access to this 4-step roadmap. As always, I hope and pray you got some value from today's message as we talked about Facebook group marketing for beginners. God bless you, your family, and your business. We'll see you next week.